In the meadow where the wildflowers bloom, the butterflies dance making room. With gentle wings they swirl and glide in the breeze, they're floating wide. Twirl, twirl, the butterflies fly underneath the sunlit sky, waltzing through the flowers so bright, a dance of beauty in the morning light. The daisies sway, the lavender too, as the butterflies chase the morning dew. With every flutter and every beat, the wildflowers bow at their feet. Twirl, twirl, the butterflies fly underneath the sunlit sky, waltzing through the flowers so bright, the dance of beauty in the morning light. The breeze is soft, the air is sweet, as the butterflies' wings softly beat. They circle round, they dip and dive, in the wildflower dance they come alive. Twirl, twirl, the butterflies fly, underneath the sunlit sky, waltzing through the flowers so bright, the dance of beauty in the morning light. As the sun sets, they slow their flight, butterflies rest under the moonlight, and in